Motip Sealing Spray is an easy-to-use flexible coating to seal and fill small leaks and cracks. Remove any loose paint and rust. Lightly sand the surface. Clean and degrease the surface with silicone remover. Then dry it. The aerosol should be at room temperature. Shake the aerosol for 2 minutes and spray a sample. Make sure you maintain the correct spray distance. Apply the first layer and let it dry for about 20 to 25 minutes. Shake the aerosol again before applying the next layer. After 5 minutes, check if the surface is sealed. Repeat the process as necessary until the desired result is achieved. Clean the valve after use. Motip Sealing Spray is weatherproof, UV resistant and can be painted over with various paint systems. Nothing you can't fix.